Vertebrata. You know, in a vertebrate animal have vertebral column or backbone. During embryonic stage, they form notochord. So the notochord is replaced by vertebral column. It is a chief skeletal axis of the body. You know, the vertebrata is grouped into 6 classes. First we will see about class Cyclostomata. Cyclostomata means jawless vertebrate. Cyclostoma is do not contain jaw. Mouth not bounded by jaw. The body is elongated like eel. They also have circular mouth. The skin is soft, and they are scaleless. They are ectoparasite. For example, hagfish. Class fishes. Fishes are poikilothermic. It means cold-blooded animal. Cold-blooded means they do not change the body temperature depending on environmental condition. They also have constant body temperature. It is aquatic vertebrate. It brings jaws. They also have streamlined body. The body is divided into head, trunk, and tail. The locomotion is done by paired and median fins. Same time, the body is covered with scales. Respiration is occurs through gills. Heart also made up of 2 chambers, an auricles and a ventricles. It possesses 2-chamber heart. They are also classified into 2 major types. One is a cartilaginous fish, another is a bony fish. Cartilaginous fish have skeleton. It is made up of cartilage. Cartilage means flexible bone. It occurs in shark and skates. Second is a bony fishes. The skeleton is made up of bone. For example, corpse and mullets. Class Amphibia. Amphi mean both. Pios mean life, because they have both land and aquatic life. They are first 4-legged animals, tetrapods. Vertebrate also have dual adaptation because they live in both water and land. The body is divisible into head and trunk. The skin is very moist in nature because they contain mucus gland. Respiration is occurs through gills, lungs, skin, and buccopharynx. The heart is 3-chambered. They also have 2 auricles and 1 ventricles. Eggs are laid in land water. They also form tadpole larvae. It transferred into adult. For example, frog and turds. Class Reptilia. Repair mean to crawl or creep. They also have fully adapted animal. They also fully adapted into land living. The body is covered by horny epidermal scales. The respiration is occurs through lungs. Also have 3-chamber heart, exception crocodile. Crocodile have 4-chambered heart. Most of the reptiles are egg-laying animals. Their egg is made up of shell. For example, calots, lizard, snake, tortoise, and turtle. Class Aves. Aves mean birds. For example, birds. The aves are homeothermic animal. It means warm blood animal. What is mean warm blooded animal? The body temperature is cannot change depending on environment because they also have constant body temperature. Birds are adapted to fly. They also have spindle or boat-shaped body. It helps to fly. The body is covered with feathers and the body is divisible into head, neck, trunk and tail. Same time, hind limbs are adapted for walking, perching, or swimming. They also have lungs respiration. The lungs have air sacs. The bones are filled with air because it reduces the body weight. It helps to fly. So the air sac bone is called pneumatic bones. Air sac bone is called pneumatic bones. They lay large yolk contain eggs. They are covered by hard calcareous shell. Egg is covered by hard calcareous shell. For example, parrot, crow, eagle, pigeon, and ostrich. Class Mammalia. Mamma mean breast. So the mammals are warm blood animal. The skin is covered with hairs. It also bears sweat and sebaceous gland. Sebaceous gland means oil gland. The body is divisible into head, neck, trunk, and tail. Same time, females have mammary glands, which secretes milk for feeding the young ones. The external ear or pinna is present in mammals. They have 4-chamber heart. The respiration is occurs by lungs. They also contain egg-laying mammals. For example, platypus and spiny anteater. All mammals gives birth to their young ones. So it is called as viviparous. Viviparous means to birth. They also have placenta. The placenta is important character of mammals. It helps to transport the nutrients from mother to developing embryo. For examples, rat, rabbit, and man. Do you know under box? The octopus is very important and intelligent invertebrate. They also have emotion, empathy, cognitive function, self-awareness, personality, and relationship with human. They also have more evolutionary animals. Act as most dominant animal on earth. The smallest vertebrate occurs in Philippines. It is called as Philippine cope or dwarf pygamy cope. It's a tropical fish species. Live in brackish water and mangrove area in Southeast Asia. The length of the fish is 10 mm only. The Chinese giant salamander, Antrias dividiens. It is the largest amphibian in the world. The length of the animal is 5 feet and 11 inches. Weight is 65 kg. They are found in Central and South China. The state bird of Tamil Nadu is common emerald dove. The scientific name is Chalcobus indica. The gigantic blue whale have 35 meter long and 120 tons weight. It is the biggest vertebrate in animal kingdom.